fabric is very beautiful, very, very appealing to the eyes, but it does look like a coral pink. However, it was pretty much stained. I'm gonna wash this and see how it comes out.
Here we have a drawing of the Milkmaid top. This is very vital as this top consists of 5 pieces. 2 sleeve pieces, 2 cut pieces, and 1 back piece. These circled areas are very important as you need measurements for these areas in order for you to cut your elastic band. You will need 2 for each sleeve, 2 for each cup, and 2 for the back. In total, you should have 10 elastic bands for the top. This is just a pattern of the puff sleeve I'll be using to make this top. Sew the sleeve shut like so, making sure to leave an inch. I'll be folding the sleeve over in order to create a casing to feed the elastic band through it. Once the elastic band has been fed through that casing, make sure to secure it with a zigzag stitch and cut the remaining elastic band. Don't forget to close the casing. Now insert 2 elastic bands through the casings. It should look like this, and you should have 2 cups looking exactly like this. Now I'll be sewing the 2 cups to the back piece and securing the elastic bands with a zigzag stitch. I'll be sewing the sleeve to the body with a straight stitch. However, it will be in a semicircle shape, starting from one end of the sleeve to the other end of the sleeve. You should be able to see in the next clip what your seam should look like. Make sure to cut off the excess fabric. Once you finish sewing, it should look like this.